Hi, today I will speak about an automatic self-cleaning litter bot called Litter Robot-Tree. My name is Araceli. Nowadays, our lifestyle is complicated and difficult. All this, we have to get early, take a shower, eat breakfast, and finally go to the job. But we have gadgets, invention, and machines to make life a little easier. For example, the new gadgets such as digital mask, the shower speaker, and Nord glasses, which were shown at a convention this year, could make your life simple. However, if you have a pet, you will have to take care of it and add one more activity in your life. People who adopted an adorable cat during their quarantine or who have been living with one for months, they quickly learn that there is so much to do and so little time. If you are a cat lover, you will have to clean a little box every day, and it is one of the most unpleasant jobs. When you are cleaning it, you say, "Ooh," because it smells bad. How can you solve this problem? The invention you need is finally here, and it is waiting for a cat lover. This is an automatic self-cleaning litter box called Litter Robot 3, which does the cleaning automatically and keeps it odor-free. What are the advantages of this Litter Robot 3? Well, the design is highly technological and modern. It looks like a spaceship that a little box. It's amazing. Also, this futuristic gadget is bigger than a standard litter box. It measures 75 centimeters high by 60 centimeters wide. For this reason, it can be used by one or more cats and there is no weight limit. The little robot has two main components, the rotating inner globe and the base. Both are made of plastic and rubber. The globe has sensors inside that activates it when the cat exits. After, the globe starts rotating slowly and the clean litter falls through a zip into a compartment. Finally, the process automatically separates the waste from the litter and deposits the clumps into a waste drawer in the base of the unit, preserving clean litter and saving your time. According to the manufacturer, the system reduces litter usage to 50% in comparison with a standard litter box. Also, you don't need to buy a special type of cat litter. You can use either arm and hammer cat litter or happy kitten litter. On the other hand, it has other functions such as it notifies you when the waste drawer is full, and you can see the recent usage history for insight into your cat's health. With the AutoPet Connect app, and it is compatible with Apple mobile device with iOS 10. Also, the automatic nightlight helps elderly cats during nighttime visits and you can choose a 3, 7 or 15 minutes delay before the unit runs. It also includes one carbon filter, 3 water drawer, one 15-volt DC power supply and the user manual. What are the disadvantages of this little robot tree? The main disadvantage is the cost. The little robot costs $449. It's more expensive than other models, but the brand can put such a high price on its product because there are no comparable alternatives today. In conclusion, in my opinion, the feces and urine in your cat's box can be harmful to the person cleaning it. In other words, it's important to clean your cat's box litter for two reasons. First, you don't want a stinky house, and second, you don't want a sick pet. The litter robotry is a huge, modern, and functional cat border litter, but it is more expensive than other models, and it requires expensive consumable parts. For this reason, I love the product. I hate the price. But if you have enough money to cover the cost of the little robotry, you can buy it. I enjoy various smart features will serve you and your cats. I recommend it.